Dear children, today we will talk about derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. How can we differentiate inverse trigonometric functions? So first of all, see how we get the formula for that. If y is equals to sine inverse x, then how we can find its derivative or differentiation? Then we can convert its inverse trigonometry to trigonometric function first. We can write sine y is equals to x. And now differentiate sine y cos y dy by dx. Differentiation of implicit function. Differentiation of x is 1. So this implies dy by dx is equals to 1 upon cos y. Dy by dx, now we have to change cos y in terms of x. So we can write cos y as under the root of 1 minus sine square y. This implies dy by dx is equals to 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So in this way, you can find differentiation of sine inverse x. First convert in trigonometry and then differentiate. Same way, if you want to find out differentiation of tan inverse x, y is equals to tan inverse x. Then dy by dx or dy dx. First convert in trigonometry. Tan y is equals to x. Tan y is sec square y. Dy by dx is equals to 1. Dy by dx 1 upon sec square y. And now change sec square y in terms of x. To change it in terms of x, dy by dx, first change sec square y in terms of tan square y. So sec square y is 1 plus tan square y. Dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 1 plus tan y is x. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So in this way we can find differentiation of tan inverse x. Similarly, we can find differentiation of other trigonometric functions. Differentiation of cos inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square and minus also there. Sin inverse x 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square with difference of minus sign. Same way, differentiation of cot inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sec inverse x 1 upon square minus 1, and differentiation of cosec inverse x is equals to minus 1 upon x root x square minus 1. तो डिफरेंस ओनली माइनस साइन का, ये दोनों में तीनों सेम ये है, इन तीनों में सेम सिर्फ माइनस साइन को चेंज करना है आप. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड फॉर्मूला फॉर डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस. जब भी एग्जाम में इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का क्वेश्चन कोई आए तो उसको हम डायरेक्ट सॉल्व नहीं करते हैं, पहले उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ता है. यूजिंग इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूले उसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, देन इस वाली फॉर्म में आने के बाद उसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. लेट अस सी सम क्वेश्चन. एक्सरसाइज 5.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. sin square x plus cos square y is equals to 1. This is example of implicit function, and now we have to differentiate this. Sin square x is 2 sin x cos x, cos square y 2 cos y into minus sin y dy by dx, and differentiation of 1 is 0. Sin 2x minus sin 2y dy by dx minus sin 2y dy by dx is equals to minus sin 2x. Minus to minus cancel, dy by dx is equals to sin 2x upon sin 2y. Then question number 10, y is equals to y is equals to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Y is equals to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. So here we can simplify first. This is formula of 3 tan inverse x. You can substitute x is equals to tan theta. Let value of x is tan theta. Then y is equals to tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Y is equals to tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square. This is formula for tan 3 theta. And tan inverse to tan cancel out. Y is equals to 3 theta. And now if x into tan theta, theta is equals to tan inverse x. This implies y is equals to 3 tan inverse x. So in this way, first we have to simplify this and then we have to differentiate. dy by dx 3 upon 1 plus x square. So in this way you can differentiate. First simplify and then differentiate. The next question number 12. Y is equals to sine inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Y is equals to sine inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. And we know that the formula for 2 tan inverse x is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. ये फॉर्मूला हमने पढ़ा था इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन में, तो वही फॉर्मूला यहां भी बना सकते हैं हम. वी कैन राइट y इज इक्वल्स टू पाई बाई 2 माइनस कॉस इनवर्स 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, बिकॉज साइन इनवर्स x is equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. sin inverse x plus cos inverse x pi by 2 होता है, तो sin inverse x हो जाएगा pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. And now let x is equals to tan theta. So you will get y is equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Y is equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. Y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. If x is to tan theta, then theta is equals to tan inverse x. So here y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now dy by dx is equals to 0 minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. So differentiation of y dy by dx minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. तो फर्स्ट सिंप्लीफाई करना है, देन डिफरेंशिएट करना है. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Y is equals to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Y is equals to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. So let x equal to sin theta. Then theta is equals to sin inverse x. And y is equals to, हमने थीटा साइन क्यों लिया यहां पर, क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला बन रहा है 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा का. y is equals to sin inverse 2 sin theta अंडर द रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, y is equals to sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta, y is equals to sin inverse sin 2 theta, y is equals to 2 theta, और y is equals to 2 sin inverse x. Then we can find dy by dx. Differentiation of y is 2 upon root 1 minus x square. So in this way you can differentiate. Next question number 15. Y is equals to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. Here we have to put value of x such that after simplification you will get cos or sec. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में cos आ जाए तो 1 अपॉन cos क्या हो जाएगा, sec इनवर्स. अगर बाहर sec इनवर्स है तो अंदर में लाना है sec, बाहर tan इनवर्स है तो अंदर लाना है tan, बाहर cot इनवर्स है अंदर लाना है cot. तो इसके लिए सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे हम, लेट x into cos theta, then theta is equals to cos inverse x, and y is equals to sec inverse 1 upon 2 cos theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta. Y is equals to sec inverse, and we know that 2 cos square theta minus 1 is formula for cos 2 theta. So it becomes cos 2 theta. dy by dx sec inverse 1 upon cos 2 theta is sec 2 theta. Sec inverse to sec cancel, dy by dx, sorry, this is y, not dy by dx, this is also y, 2 theta. And now the value of theta is y is equals to 2 cos inverse x. Now we can find dy by dx is 2 upon root 1 minus x square and minus also. So in this way you can find डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस. तो ये छोटा सा टॉपिक था इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन का. आप इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन की क्वेश्चन को पहले सिंपलीफाई करेंगे, जब भी क्वेश्चन एक्स्ट्रा करेंगे उसके बाद उसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. कल मिलते हैं नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.